Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Before I show you what my office space that I'm in right now looks like, I'm going to show you what it looked like before I changed things. So here we go. Alright guys, here it is. You see the room here. Definitely not something I would want as the look for my home office. I wasn't a big fan of the orange wall right next to a blue wall. I'm not even a Dolphins fan. And then there was the dark wood under the windows, which I didn't really like. Here's a picture of my husband. He's not too thrilled about the room either, as you can see from his face. So I went ahead and I started doing stuff. So I removed stickers. Yes, the previous owner did leave stickers on the window. And I went ahead and started painting. So I just painted everything white. That's good enough. So here it is, all finished painting. Just kind of did white windowsills, white around the closet. I just like that look, so that's what I went with. Alright guys, we're in my office / closet, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything came to be in this space. So here we go. We're gonna show you the whole room. Alright, I'm gonna start with my office area, which is right here. So this is my desk space. My desk, I think it was about 20 bucks. Went and found this on Facebook Marketplace, and what I did was I painted the legs black just to make that black statement against the white walls, which I really like the contrast. I have my stethoscope case here. If anyone's looking for a stethoscope case, this is really nice. I had this all through nursing school. I got it from Amazon. It was like 14 bucks. So it's got all my stuff in here. This is my diploma for when I graduated nursing school. I got this frame from Target. This picture is from my sister's wedding. So then I added these string of lights. I got these from Walmart. I just think they make the room really cozy, especially after the sun goes down. I have a plant up there that's a pothos. I just like how it vines down and like it makes the whole space really nice. Then I just have this office chair. This is from Wayfair. Love it. Very comfortable. Of course, you gotta have candle. I mean, come on. This is shortbread cookies. I'm already getting ready for the winter Christmas season. Am I too early? I don't know, but it smells so good. Rudy is very interested in what we're doing. This is my candle. You like it? You wanna smell it? Ooh, what do you think, buddy? He's like, what? He's like, I want cookies. These curtains are from Walmart. I forget the brand, but it's not Mainstay. It's like a little bit of a higher up brand than just the Walmart Mainstay. The pattern, look at this pattern. This is very cute. This kind of goes with the whole boho theme that I'm kind of going for. Really like these. You'll also notice that I have 2 windows in here. I love having 2 windows in here because first of all, the view is really nice. We have a big cornfield back here, and so you can just see for like a mile because of the field. It's just really nice. I get sunshine in here. I get a lot of natural lighting, which I really like. Here is my clothes stand. I got this from Target, and again, I went with the matte black look because I really like that against the white walls. I just have some of my extra clothes in here. I don't have a lot of closet space in my bedroom, so it's really nice to use this extra bedroom for my extra closet space and my office. Got a jumpsuit. Some of my favorite stuff is on here. I have my dress here. I really like this dress. This was from Altered State. Got my jean jacket. Oh!
Ooh.
Wore this to a wedding a few weeks back. My friend got married and I wore this. But this is the burnt orange and this is more of like a pumpkin orange, if you care. Rudy, what are you doing? Some ladybugs have been getting in here. I don't know how, but Rudy sees them and he's trying to hunt them. So I guess it gives him something to do, so that's good. We'll move on to this window. I do have different curtains for this window than that one, just because I like the tan ivory color in these curtains. These are from Target, this grain pattern. So here I have some of my
Rudy fell.
Here I have some of my shoes. These are 2 stands I bought separately from Walmart. Very affordable. This plant is fake, but this is like a fern plant. Here's another plant. This is dead. It's a dying snake plant. Live and let die. This is just a little boho hanging thing. This is also from Amazon. Are you getting a trend? Like there's places where I kind of buy everything.
That was a truck or something going by in that
okay, I
house.
thought it was a ladybug. Here is my closet. If I were to put the closet doors back on here, I would have to paint them white. And I haven't gotten around to doing that yet, but the sheer curtains work just fine. I have my scrubs here hanging up. I hang up my scrubs, otherwise they get wrinkly. Oh my, Rudy! Coming over here, we have this smaller desk and my printer, a few little bins down here, some more little plastic drawers. This was a good find. This was from a thrift store. First of all, I just like the picture in general. The only thing I know about Seattle is that Frasier lived there from the show. So, but I've never been there, but this is, I guess, an art museum in Seattle. I just really like the colors in here, the lighter toned frame on here. The last thing to really talk about in here is the rug. This is from Wayfair. I love this rug. It has so many colors in it, so definitely a good find. Overall, everything in this room was very affordable and easy to put together. I had so much fun just making this room and transforming this room from what it looked like. Just behave. This is definitely one of my favorite rooms in the whole house. First of all, because it's the only room that's just mine. Not that I don't like Jared, he's a nice guy, but I really like having a room that's just mine. My husband has the whole basement area because he has a lot of stuff and there's more room down there, so really it's his fault. This room definitely gets a lot of use. I used it a lot when I was in nursing school to study. So yeah, I used it then, and then I edit my videos in here. My husband and I filed our taxes in here together. Do you like this room, Jared?
Yes, I do like this room.
Why?
It's nice and bright and sunny.
I really do love doing stuff like this to transform rooms in my house to make them the way I like it. What's really nice about having my own workspace is that I can just have my own space, and I really like that. I will do my best to link everything down below that's in this room. I hope I maybe helped someone or gave someone some ideas. Definitely a big hobby of mine is house decor. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome rest of your week. Bye.